Farm quilt patterns offer a delightful way to bring rustic charm and warmth into your home. These patterns, steeped in early American history, have long been a staple in households, serving both as functional bedding and as a canvas for personal stories and agricultural heritage. Let's explore free farm quilt patterns that stand out for their unique designs and appeal. First up is the Henhouse Quilt, a charming pattern from Tilda's World. Designed for intermediate quilters, this quilt measures 68.5 by 83.5 inches, making it perfect for a bed. It features alternating blocks of a Tilda girl in a henhouse, separated by elegant sashing. Next, we have the Go Farm Sing-Along Pillow, an 18 by 18 inch design that's perfect for nurseries. This quick applique project features adorable farm animals like cows, chickens, horses, and pigs, evoking cherished nursery rhymes. For those who love farmhouse decor, the Fresh Eggs wall hanging quilt is a must-try. This 36 by 36 inch quilt features intricate details like a rooster and chicken duo, perfect for adding a cozy touch to kitchens or guest rooms. The Farm Sweet Farm Sew, a long guide quilt, captures the essence of rural life in a 74 by 84 inch design. It includes a quaint barn, cheerful animals, and fresh flowers, perfect for those who appreciate pastoral aesthetics. For a smaller project, try the Go Greener Pastures wall hanging quilt. This 26.5 by 28 inch quilt features 5 different applique designs of farm animals, ideal for nursery decor. Lastly, the Sweet Farm quilt pattern transports you to a cozy pastoral world. At 72 by 78 inches, it showcases a charming red barn, whimsical clouds, and lush trees in a storybook farm scene. These free farm quilt patterns offer a range of sizes and styles, allowing you to bring the warmth and nostalgia of rural life into your home through the art of quilting. Whether you prefer modern interpretations or traditional designs, there's a farm quilt pattern to suit every taste and skill level. For even more charming farm-themed inspiration, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and explore a growing collection of farm quilt patterns perfect for your next project.